For ages, mankind has been doing scientific experiments. Some have succeeded, some haven't. But all of them have been essential in creating the world we live in today. Flanders universities host thousands of top researchers, all of them trying to take this evolution to the next level, creating a better world for the future.
Critical care patients are unable to feed normally, and the current medical practice is to feed these patients early on artificially. So we're now doing that study in children to investigate the effect of not feeding them early.
This is really pioneering research. There are a few groups around the world working on this technique, so that's the holy grail of cosmic ray research.
This means that we give electricity to a microorganism to make it perform a useful process. An example of this is that we can take CO2 from an industrial waste stream and convert it to a useful product, such as a solvent, a polymer, or a fuel.
In our center, we've been able to purchase these very expensive machines with support of the Flemish government.
One must look further than the obvious, or closer. And what if human knowledge transforms into robotic knowledge? When do we lose control? These are all questions researchers from Flanders are constantly asking themselves, dealing not only with scientific enigmas, but also tackling ethical and philosophical issues.
And in principle, if you understand the brain completely, we should be able to build a brain.
And the reason why it is so unique is the combination between state-of-the-art electron microscopes and a very broad but also deep expertise.
In 5 years, I think we will see much more robots in our daily environment, because I think robots will solve some societal challenges and also create new economic markets.
I'm very enthusiastic about this project. It's something that's very close to my heart, the impact, the participation of women in society.
So what I'm doing with Hawking is to build models that describe that ensemble of universes and yet are falsifiable, yet are verifiable by observational means here in our universe. That's the challenge.
Flanders has 5 research universities giving shelter to top scientists. Many of them have received the prestigious ERC grant, the European Research Grant, given only to those scientists that show great vision and dare to look at mysteries differently.
So Flanders has given me the opportunity, through funding my research, to grow in my research career, and I'm very grateful for that opportunity that I've been given.
The ERC grant certainly helps us establish contact with other researchers abroad.
I think Flanders is a really top region in Europe to conduct excellent research because of its location in the center of Europe.
The ERC makes it also possible that we can collaborate with other institutes such as CREAR in Barcelona, Imperial College London and Harvard University.
And so the researchers in Flanders will continue to conduct their experiments. Some of them might fail, others will succeed, but all of them are indispensable.
We believe we have a leading position in this field.
We will be able to solve questions in material science that could not be solved before.
Which allows us to do discoveries that would have been impossible before.
You only get this once in a lifetime.
It's like the Champions League in football, really.
It is sadly more difficult than Star Trek, yes.